Alright, so we got the tops of those welded back in, and we made there quite a bit more room between our tire and our frame rails. So like I said, we could probably get about, I think the axles push this way just a hair, but because it's just kind of in there, sitting in there. But it looks like we go with about a 4-inch wider tire on the inside. So that was modified it quite a bit, changed the frame rails up front, squeezed them in, widened the back, so we added this extra little piece. So this is all stuff that I made in-house here. This is still their rail, their upper coil mounts, and then their bottom coil mounts there. Probably going to switch the axle out to a 4 9-inch, but this is kind of up close with their kit, but my modifications. So I went ahead and boxed this whole piece in here. Our front leaf spring mounts go here, which is where we cut the frame. This was original, but I boxed, and then it came over here, and our leaf spring actually mounts right there. That's actually our leaf spring, or our link bar lower mounts. We need to get the motor sitting in it and the tranny sitting in it before we put this rear cross member, which is sitting right there. But I want to make sure that our drive line's going to clear. And this is the kit from, I believe, Summit for their stiffeners, which is actually pretty cool kit. I modified it a little bit here, and I take some off here because the Chevelle is a C-frame, and this is, you know, obviously boxed in. So actually, I think the Chevelle frame, Elcamino frame, will probably be stronger. But yeah, that's where we're at on that so far. Alright, finish up this little 65 Elcamino. Tyler came in today and we threw the motor and transmission and driveline in it to double check. Well, to get the motor in, and then also to double check our rear crossmember clearance. Make sure everything is good after we put the frame stiffeners from Summit Racing in and the rear and tub the rear frame out. So this is kind of what we got going on here so far.